Overview of major Islamic financial modes. Murabaha, cost plus sale. Bank buys, then sells at known profit. Salam, advance payment with deferred delivery of goods. Istisna, order to manufacture or construct, sale before the item exists. Ijarah, leasing, or rent for usufruct. Musharaka, partnership, profit and loss is shared by capital. Mudaraba, partnership of capital and labor. What is musharaka, or shirka? Musharaka is a partnership contract where parties join a venture and share profit and loss. Profit sharing can be agreed, but loss must follow capital contribution. Profit and loss in musharaka. Ahmed invests $60,000 and Bilal invests $40,000 in a trading business. They agree to share profit 50-50 because Bilal will also manage daily operations. At year-end, profit is $20,000. Each gets $10,000. However, if there is a loss of $10,000 instead, Ahmed bears $6,000 and Bilal bears $4,000, according to the ratio of their investment. What is diminishing musharaka? Diminishing musharaka is a partnership where one partner gradually buys the other partner's share. It is widely used for housing and fixed assets. Home financing through diminishing musharaka. House price, $100,000. Bank pays $80,000 and client pays $20,000. Ownership. Bank owns 80% of the house and client pays 20%. Client lives in the house and pays rent only for the bank's 80% share. Client also buys 1% share from the bank for $1,000 through a separate sale agreement. After 12 months, client has bought 12% and bank owns 68%. Rent is recalculated on 68% share. This continues until the client owns 100% and the ownership is transferred to the client. What is Mudaraba? Mudaraba is a partnership where one party provides capital, called Rabbul Mal, and the other provides effort and management, called Mudarab. Profit is shared by agreement. Capital loss is borne by Rabbul Mal unless the Mudarab is negligent or dishonest. Mudaraba with Mudarab own capital. Mishal provides $20,000 for the boutique, so she is Rabbul Mal. Rumaisa is Mudarib and agrees to provide effort and management. They agree before starting that profit will be shared as 60% Mishal and 40% Rumaisa. Rumaisa uses the $20,000 to buy stock, set up the shop, and run daily operations. At the end of the period, $2,000 profit is earned, after all expenses. Mishal receives 60% of $2,000, equal to $1,200, and Rumaisa receives 40% of $2,000, equal to $800. The original $20,000 capital remains Mishal's unless it is reduced by a business loss. What is Salam? Salam is a forward sale where the buyer pays the full price now and the seller delivers specified goods later. It is useful for farmers and producers who need working cash before delivery. Salam, a real-world scenario. Islamic Bank agrees to buy 10,000 kilograms of wheat from farmer Ali for $3,000, delivered after 60 days. Islamic Bank pays $3,000 in full at contract time. Quality is fixed, such as wheat grade, moisture level, and packaging. On delivery date, farmer Ali delivers wheat to the agreed warehouse. Islamic Bank may sell the wheat after receiving it, or bank may do a separate parallel salam with a third party earlier without linking the two contracts. What is Istisna? Istisna is a sale contract for something to be manufactured or constructed later. The item does not need to exist at contract time, but its specifications and price must be clear. Istisna, a real-world scenario. Ahmed needs 1,000 school desks with fixed design and material specifications. Islamic Bank signs an Istisna agreement as buyer with ABC manufacturer for 1,000 desks at $50 each. Payment scheduled agreed as 30% now, 40% midway, 30% on delivery. Islamic Bank signs a separate parallel Istisna to sell the desks to the Ahmed with a clear delivery date. Contracts remain independent. Failure in one does not automatically cancel the other. What is Ijarah? Ijarah is leasing where the owner sells the right to use an asset, or usufruct, for rent. The asset must be usable without being consumed, so money and consumables cannot be leased. Ijarah, real-world scenario. Islamic Bank buys a machine for $30,000 and leases it to Ramin for 36 months. Monthly rent is agreed in advance. During the lease, the bank bears ownership risks and major maintenance. At the end, a separate sale contract transfers the machine to Ramin for an agreed token price based on a separate document promise. Choosing an interest-free mode. A small business needs a delivery van worth $12,000. Islamic Bank has 3 options. Option 1. Ijarah. The bank buys the van and leases it to the client for rent. Option 2. Mudaraba. The bank buys the van first, then sells it to the client at a fixed deferred price. Option 3. Musharaka. Bank and client jointly buy the van and share profit from using it in the business. In all these options, the return is linked to ownership, sale, or partnership, not to lending money for interest.